Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this 2019 F150 with a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. We have an engine light on, so let's fix it. After getting in the truck and starting it up, we can see we have an engine light on. So I need to get my scanner and run a test. After plugging my scanner into the port, I run the test. Once the scanner is finished, you can see that we have one code. So I go into the next screen to see what the code is. The code is a P0420. This means there's a problem with the catalytic system. I think it's the oxygen sensor because I replaced the other side not too long ago and the light went out. To do this job, here are the tools and the parts that I'm going to be needing. First off is an oxygen sensor socket. I don't like using these because sometimes they strip out. A modified 22mm boxed in wrench. I say modified because I cut a slot in the top so I can get it around the wire of the oxygen sensor. A Bosch 17487 oxygen sensor and an NTK 22069 oxygen sensor. Back under the truck we locate the sensor connection. I'm going to go ahead and apologize for the camera angles. This was not easy to film. First we would disconnect one of the sensors. This sensor happens to be on top of the transmission and it's not easy to get to. Next, using our modified 22mm boxed in wrench, we remove the oxygen sensor. Please hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel out. After removing the oxygen sensor, you can see how much soot is on that oxygen sensor, causing it to fail. Here's the new oxygen sensor, and we just reverse the process to install it. Then we move on to replace the next sensor. This one's a lot easier than the other one. This is the same process. And again, look how much soot is on this sensor. Now we install the new one. Once both sensors are installed, you can make the reconnections. I apologize for not getting this on film. After driving the truck for several miles, the light went out. So let's double check to see if we have any codes left. The scanner says no codes. Let's check to see if it has any stored codes. No stored codes? This job is done. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.